Did you know that some animals barely sleep, defying what we often believe to be essential for survival? While humans require hours of rest to function properly, nature surprises us with creatures that seem to challenge this fundamental need. Whether it's due to their survival instincts, unique biology, or relentless environments, these animals have evolved in extraordinary ways. Curious to know who they are and why they almost never sleep? Prepare to discover some mind-blowing facts about nature's most tireless beings and the science behind their unusual habits. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of nature, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more surprising discoveries. Let's uncover these tireless creatures together. Giraffes, sleeping giants on high alert. Giraffes, the tallest animals in the world, have some of the shortest sleep durations in the animal kingdom. On average, they sleep for only 20 to 30 minutes a day, and most of this sleep happens while standing up. By sleeping in an upright position, giraffes can keep an eye on their surroundings and quickly escape if a predator approaches. This standing sleep is essential for giraffes because lying down makes them extremely vulnerable. When giraffes do lie down, they often curl their long necks onto their backs for brief, deep rest. However, this behavior is rare in the wild, as it compromises their ability to spot predators. Instead, giraffes rely on short bursts of sleep spread throughout the day to recover and conserve energy. Physiologically, giraffes have evolved to sleep efficiently. Their unique leg ligaments and muscular structures allow them to lock into position, reducing muscle effort while standing. This adaptation enables them to rest without collapsing and gives them a quick advantage if danger arises. Their incredible circulatory system also ensures stable blood flow, even while standing for long periods. The giraffe's ability to function on minimal sleep is a testament to evolution's ingenuity. By reducing their rest time and staying alert, these giants have adapted perfectly to life in the open savanna, where survival depends on constant vigilance. Horses, resting with one hoof. Ready to run, horses are masters of efficient rest, thanks to their ability to sleep while standing. Unlike many animals, horses can lock their legs into place using a specialized system of tendons and ligaments known as the stay apparatus. This allows them to rest without expending energy and remain ready to flee at a moment's notice. A crucial skill for a prey animal. Most of a horse's sleep occurs in short, frequent intervals throughout the day. They rely primarily on standing rest to conserve energy while staying alert to their surroundings. However, horses also need brief periods of deep sleep, which they achieve by lying down. This type of rest is rare and happens only when the environment feels completely safe, as lying down makes them more vulnerable to predators. Horses demonstrate an extraordinary ability to prioritize survival. By maximizing rest without sacrificing vigilance, they thrive in open fields and unpredictable environments. Their adaptations highlight how evolution shapes animals to survive in even the harshest conditions. Dolphins, sleeping with half a brain. Awake dolphins have one of the most extraordinary sleep adaptations in the natural world. Unlike land mammals, dolphins must consciously surface to breathe, which makes traditional deep sleep impossible. To solve this, dolphins rest with only one half of their brain at a time. This process, known as sono unihemispherico, allows them to sleep and remain alert simultaneously. During unihemispheric sleep, one hemisphere of the brain enters a restful state, while the other stays awake to control breathing and monitor the environment. Dolphins also keep one eye open during this process, enabling them to detect potential threats or navigate safely through their surroundings. This remarkable adaptation allows dolphins to rest while still swimming and breathing without risk. The need for this adaptation is especially evident in newborn dolphins. For the first month of life, calves and their mothers stay awake nearly constantly, swimming nonstop. This relentless activity keeps the young dolphins safe from predators and helps them develop the strength and coordination they need to survive. Adult dolphins, on the other hand, achieve short rest periods while maintaining essential functions. Dolphins' ability to sleep with one half of their brain is a perfect example of nature's ingenuity. This adaptation ensures their survival in the ocean, where breathing, awareness, and movement are critical to life. It's a fascinating reminder of how animals evolve to overcome challenges in their environments. Whales, giants who rest on the moon. Whales share a similar sleep adaptation with dolphins, allowing them to survive in aquatic environments. Since whales are mammals, they must regularly surface to breathe, which prevents them from experiencing deep, uninterrupted sleep. To address this, whales engage in unihemispheric sleep, where only half of their brain rests while the other half stays active. During this resting state, whales drift slowly near the water's surface, often referred to as logging, because their motionless bodies resemble floating logs. This method enables them to rest without sinking or losing access to oxygen. Unlike humans, whales do not enter full REM sleep, but instead rely on short naps to conserve energy. Young whales, like dolphins, remain almost constantly awake for the first few weeks of life. This non-stop movement helps calves stay warm and safe from predators. Adult whales, however, balance rest and activity, often alternating between slow movement and light sleep to maintain essential bodily functions. The sleep habits of whales highlight their incredible adaptability. These marine giants showcase how evolution fine-tunes behavior to meet the demands of life in challenging environments. Their ability to rest while staying semi-active is a perfect example of survival in the deep ocean. Jellyfish, resting without a brain. Jellyfish occupy the most unusual spot on this list because they challenge the very definition of sleep. Unlike other animals, jellyfish lack a brain or central nervous system. However, research has shown that jellyfish experience periods of reduced activity that mimic sleep-like behavior. This discovery offers fascinating insights into how even the simplest organisms rest. Jellyfish rely on rhythmic pulsations to move through the water, searching for food such as plankton. Despite this constant movement, they exhibit slower activity during certain times, particularly at night. These periods of reduced motion suggest that jellyfish rest in a way that conserves energy without requiring a complex brain. Unlike mammals or birds, jellyfish do not follow a regular sleep cycle. Their rest patterns appear to be dictated by environmental conditions, such as light and temperature changes. This behavior challenges traditional ideas of sleep and proves that even creatures without a brain need downtime to function efficiently. Jellyfish provide a glimpse into the origins of sleep itself. Their ability to rest without a central nervous system highlights the fundamental role of energy conservation. Observing these simple yet fascinating creatures helps scientists unravel the mysteries of sleep and its evolutionary purpose. Nature is truly fascinating and full of surprises. The 6 animals that almost never sleep challenge everything we know about survival, rest, and the biological need for sleep. While humans depend on deep, restorative sleep to function both physically and mentally, these remarkable creatures have evolved in ways that defy this logic. Whether it's for survival, the need to stay constantly alert, or their natural biological design, these animals show that life can adapt in unexpected and extraordinary ways. From the non-stop movements of migratory birds to the relentless alertness of marine mammals, each case highlights the diversity and ingenuity of their nature. Take the dolphin, for example. Its ability to rest one hemisphere of its brain at a time while keeping the other active allows it to remain aware of predators and navigate its underwater environment safely. Or consider the giraffe, which gets by with mere minutes of sleep scattered throughout the day, staying vigilant against the dangers of the wild. These adaptations serve as a reminder that every creature on this planet has a unique story and a survival strategy tailored to its environment. For us, who often complain about feeling tired after a night of little rest, these animals might make us reflect on the resilience of life and what we might be capable of when the need arises. But beyond just marveling at these incredible creatures, there's also a deeper lesson for us humans. These animals prove that survival demands adaptation, flexibility, and sometimes a willingness to push boundaries. In a world where we are often faced with challenges and unforeseen circumstances, their ability to thrive despite seemingly insurmountable conditions can serve as a powerful reminder. How adaptable are we when life demands something extraordinary? Can we push through our limits and embrace discomfort to achieve our goals and face challenges that are beyond? At the end of the day, the animal kingdom never fails to inspire, showing us just how creative and relentless nature can be. watching the birds soar in the sky or observing animals in the wild. Take a moment to consider the incredible adaptations that help them thrive, often without rest. After all, if nature has taught us anything, it's that even in the most challenging circumstances, life always finds a way to adapt, survive, and flourish. Now let me ask you, what could you achieve if you were just 10% as relentless as these animals? Perhaps it's time to rethink the limits we set for ourselves and start pushing for something greater.